Welcome everyone to the part 3 of the C language series. Today we will learn ruling on naming variables. Let's go to our editor screen. To declare a variable, specify the data type and the variable name. There are some rules for declaring the variable. If you want to read them, pause the video. After that, if you want to assign the value to the variable, you can do it or you can set it later. But make sure to enter a semicolon after the end of every statement. To print something, you can type printf and then in brackets use double quotes, and in that double quotes write anything that you want to print. You can print the value of the variables with the help of format specifiers. %d is used for integer data type, and then after closing the double quotes, comma, and then the variable name. These are other format specifiers for printing and scanning different types of data types. To take input from the user, we can use the scanf function. Type scanf and then double quotes and the format specifier for the data that will be entered by the user. And then after comma, ampersand symbol, aka address symbol in C language. And the variable name to store the data given by the user to the address of the variable. Thank you everyone for watching till the end. Do comment, share, like, and follow for more. See you in next video. Bye-bye.